Today's luxury tour is a home that's nestled on the fairways of the Sand Hollow Golf Course down in southern Utah. It actually sits in the estates of the Sand Hollow Resort. This home was built by Richardson's Brothers Custom Home. I think you'll really like it. As we go on this tour, you'll notice all the luxury and the fine details that have gone into this home. When you first walk in this home, you'll see the expansive open floor plan. It's very functional. It's just perfect to relax and entertaining, have your family and friends over. You'll notice the big, open, expansive picture windows that gives you that great view. And also, when you go through this home, I want you to look and notice all the fine detail that has gone into making this home fantastic. Now, this home features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, just over 4,400 square feet, and it has 4-car garage. And at the time of this recording, it's currently for sale for just over $3.7 million. Sit back and relax. I think you'll really enjoy this tour. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed or liked my channel, please do so. And meanwhile, I'll see you on the next video.